Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing House Flipper 2. And today we're gonna be flipping this former houseboat. Boathouse? What? We're definitely gonna start by selling all of the... Oh my. Oh, this place is not in a good state. I mean, I was gonna say it could be worse. But, I think you might be better off tearing this whole place down now. Spend a lot of money on this place as well though, so gotta get my money's worth. Getting there, guys, don't worry about it. In 50 years I'll be able to say the word pool. Honestly, I really wonder what people would like to see from my channel. Like, I know my name is literally Ether Animates, and I have done almost no animating whatsoever, besides my intro for my Hoi 4 videos. So let me know, is there anything in particular you want me to see, you want me to animate? I'm not saying I can do your ideas, I am not a great one. I can animate, but I wouldn't say that I'm good at it. You know, that's subjective, you know? Like, I can hate my work, but you guys might love it. Like, and just... There we go. Right, so like, I'm not gonna do as much renovating with this one, honestly. I mean, I don't hate the layout. It's a little bit small. But you know, besides changing some things up inside, it's pretty much just cleaning it. Pretty much all I gotta do. Clean it up. What is that? Oh, those are balloons. What do you call it? I don't know the word for it. Oh, I know what they are though. Trust me guys, I definitely know what they are. I am completely getting distracted by the environment. My goodness. I think this place was more vandalized than actually dirtied up. But that's our job, right? It gives us work, so... Oh, forgot a spot. Yeah, now just the inside and upstairs. I am not really a fan of the look of this. I mean, I do agree, it needs a, say, beach feeling, like... What could you need on a possible houseboat? Well, former houseboat, right? I'm just thinking, alright guys, like... Do you want me to do more country ball animations? Yeah, okay, that's not part of the... I gotta ask, you know, like... I wouldn't want to put time into something people wouldn't want to see, right? I think that's fair. If you want to do what the people ask for. That doesn't mean I won't do country ball animations, you know? It just means they won't be my first priority. It means my first priority will be my other animations. Now, what could we do in the bedroom? What are we gonna make the bedroom? Are we gonna keep the bedroom there? Or are we gonna like combine the living room and the bedroom? No. And I think you want a little bit of private. Well, you could put blinds on it and not give everyone the key to your front door. Then again, most people don't want to eat and sleep and such in the room where they sleep. Which is totally fair. I don't want to do that actually either. What am I talking about? I went from making a houseboat to talking about like where to eat. My goodness, this game has already driven me insane. I'm already going insane and I haven't even finished. I mean, this alone, once we fix up to its former glory, that alone should just fix half the value, right? Yeah. Alright, now everything is cleaned up. And let's go figure out what to do. Let's go figure out what we want to do in this place. First of all, this is coming down. I don't like it being divided like that. Much better. Now, wood. I love it already. Doesn't this wood give you like the, oh wow, I'm on a real ship type of feeling, right guys? Does it not? Does to me. It really does. I love it. Maybe that's just me though. I'm special. I'm special. I'm not. Really not. But I just think you want a boat feeling on a boat, right? I'm gonna keep that there. And what about the bedroom floor? We don't want it to be the same. Right? Like wood. With the flooring. How about this? Like add planks to it. Rotate it. Make it like a little bit bigger. Now let's check that out. How does that... Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, that's horrible. I messed it up. Like it's not like the bathroom is a huge part of the ship. Boat, floating boat, houseboat, whatever you want to call it. And I think that's already makes it look twice as good, right? What do you guys think? I think it does. Now, how do we want to divide that up? Because we need a kitchen somewhere. And I'm thinking of actually making it like an open kitchen. Like this. We board this up. It's not too much, I think. Alright, let me put a fridge right there once we paint it. What do we paint it? That's also a question. Blue. You know what? I'm gonna play it daringly. No, that's too high. I'm gonna play it daringly. And this gives it off a beachy feeling, right? Like beautiful sunny days. Maybe I might do it differently for the kitchen actually, but I'm just painting it all the same way right now. We can get a vibe going. And based on that vibe, we change. That's how we do it in real business. Yeah. I mean, I love the beach. I hate the animals. Well, no. Don't take that out of context. I hate the mosquitoes that come to the beach. I love the other animals. Besides sharks. I don't like them. They always want to nibble on your toes. And I don't like them. They really always want to nibble on your toes. I don't know why. They just want to do that. And I'm saying no. They're my toes. You can nibble on those. They still want to do it. They don't respect my boundaries, you know? Sharks. What am I even talking about? I love it. I might do the ceiling in every room white, honestly. Okay, now for the cabinet. AKA the kitchen drawer. I'm gonna put some of these here. Here. Oh, never mind. You know what? I feel like this would be something where you put it outside, right? I don't know if that's even legal, but yeah, no, yeah. Table. Gonna get a nice beachy looking table. And that's more restaurant-like. Ooh, that's a perfect table for out front. Like right here. Just not on the sand. Well, actually, who cares? Just maybe not the right time for it. There we go. Nice outside chair eating place. For with the family. Someone's back and get burned. Oh my, that looks so goofy. I want it, but not in this house. Carpet. And let's put a carpet outside. Trust me, this makes total sense. Well, actually, can we... There's no beachy style color, but that's fine. Look, right? Couch. Sofa. Oh, damn. I'm not the smartest. TV. We're gonna be sitting very close to the TV, might I add. Like, maybe a little bit too close. Oh yeah, you're definitely sitting way too close, buddy. Uh-oh. How do we fix that? Well, no need to play it smart if you can play it dumb. I mean, the desk can go like here. Can't fit there, but you can do the dishes. Just don't splash everywhere, and it'll be fine, look. That's way safer for your eyes. No, that's too boring. You want a cool one. No, that's too boring as well. This one looks better. One of these, like we want a sliding door, but then made out of glass, right? Also less tall. But it's fine. In all honesty, I prefer normal doors anyway. I can get rid of that. Build it up. Let's build it up instead. Alright. Yeah. Honestly, I prefer... You know what? I don't hate this for the bedroom, but I'm gonna put a normal clock in here. Like right on the kitchen wall here. Let's pick a cool one. That's definitely not a cool one. That's a sandwich. That's not gonna work. Now I think this switch works perfectly. I want it right accessible here. Okay, maybe not that close. Right accessible here. We connect, connect, and connect. That way, bam. That looks instantly cooler and better. When you come in, you must be able to have a light as well, right? Light. And let's make it a normal one. Right, this lights it all up a little bit. So we have 2 more rooms and the roof to go. What should I put up there? I don't know. All right, now that we finished painting the roof, walls. What are we gonna do? I want to build this into like a bedroom plus game room. Like, now I'm gonna need red and black. Only gonna do half this wall. So like right up here, and get a door there as well, probably, right? Like we need a glass door like this. You can use this one for refreshing. And let's hook them up. So the bottom one will be that. And the top one will be these two. There we go. A fully functioning room. Bedroom. I want to this nightmare. Then we paint it white. No. Blue. Do we do blue though? Oh yeah, we do. Oh yeah, we do. Come on, guys. So I see, so we brought like minimal changes to it. Oh, we ran out of blue. We brought like minimal changes to it, right? Enough to transform it, but not enough to like make it ugly or something, right? But I think at least. Okay, there we go. Now I can officially delete this and this. Shower. Let's see, could we fit this? Theoretically, yes. A beautiful sink, to say the least. I think I might put that on this side, honestly. Because, you know, still. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Go, the sink is... what else? A drawer... A little bit of storage space, right? Yeah, a little cramped, but it's fine. Towel holder. This is a sliding door. I can put the towels right here. And a door. And a window. There we go. Problem solved. And that is the bathroom. It's minimal. It's very minimal. Minimal space. Open completely. Uh-oh. Maybe we can... Wow, do you really need the mirror there? You can just dry your hands. Dry makeup. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't know. It's technically a door. I'm not gonna touch the outside much. I'm just gonna go up. here to realize I haven't put a window in it. Why is there a hole there? They won't notice, okay? They won't notice that. Now what are we gonna do up here? Huh. There's like a table. For nice dinners in the sun. Dang it, I forgot the name again. Overhang. Nope. Umbrella. There we go. Get some umbrellas in here for the grill, for example. And also have a little table with another grill right here. We do the chairs, I mean, like the chairs. I feel like this one would be... Oh no, can I not? Oh, it's fine. For when you want to do it alone. There we go. I think that's it. Could do like a little yard for kids to play in. Maybe a playhouse here. A little slide. To the kiddie pool. Yeah. And guys, I think that's gonna be all for today's episode. Let's, well, not all. I'm gonna first sell it. Let's see. We're down 106k. Let's auction it. How? I'm not selling it to you anyway. They can do that themselves. Anyway, let's do this, guys. Let's do this one and then we're gonna call it for today. Let's look at it. Yeah, see? I don't think it was a pretty good change. We may do with what we had. Like, I could have expanded it like 50 meters, but we may do with what we had. You're staring at a closed door. Oh, I left a lot of trash outside. I might have impacted a lot of the value, I believe. Oh, and I left that too. Oops. Expenses, see, yeah, we made this. We made okay money. We made decent amount of money. I'd say that was a good flip. And guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Let me know if you want to see more next episode. What that line works. And what I should do to this place. Let me know. I haven't really thought about it yet. But you guys can let me know in the comments down below, right? We have a lot of space to work with. I am also willing to tear this entire thing down and do something completely crazy. So yeah, let me know. And that's gonna be it for today's episode. Bye.